That was a quick one. I haven't dueled ranked match Omega for like a week. Yes, we're doing it on Omega. I'm using a zombie deck. Links in the description below. You guys know what to do. Do I know what to do right now? Is the question. Yeah. Para prosperity. I'll do 6. 1, 2. Four. That's it, right? Confirm. Oh, ooh. I'll take Bloom. Normal summon. And I'll dump Banshee and then use the first effect. So I'll do second effect. Target increase. It's level, center graveyard. Banshee, banish, activate zombie world. Then Unizombie. Target himself again. Discard a card. And then Bloom's effect. Add to my hand Doom King. Or wait a minute. Hand it back. Let's summon 1 zombie monster from your hand. No, I'll be Eldritch, and then I can just use this special summon. Since I have Zombie World. No. Oh, fuck. Do I want to do that? No, I actually want to do this. Black Awakening. Doom King. And then go to Vampire Sucker. That's it. Remember. Draw phase, standby phase, Doom King comes back. And then Vampire Sucker. It's activated, do you want to activate effect? That's a Doom King's... No, I don't want to do that. I'll draw a card because a zombie monster was special summoned from either graveyards. From Doom King's effect on a zombie monster. Oh, he's got kaijus. God dang it. He's got kaijus. Fuck. What's he gonna kaiju? Oh, it's a rank 10. Ouch. And then what? What the f was that? Draw phase. Who the heck is this? Time Lord? Time to destroy my battle or card effects. Oh, okay. Draw phase. Nah. Standby phase, yeah. Which is Doom King. No. Vampire Sucker, yeah. Then I'll chain it with Doom King. No. Banish 1 monster from field or graveyard, which is gonna be this guy. See ya. No. Actually, let me. No. Okay, 8 to add. Yeah, why not? Let me just activate this now. Oh, a little gold man forever. Target and send. What's happening here? Doom King? Nah. No. Fuck, I would have to set something. Or I could just reborn him. Let's do this. Woo. Whoa, so and he just scooped. What? Yes. Where was I? I was 1153, 1163 went up by 10. I was at 107, still at 107. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.